So I'm going to show you how to add the Google clock on your Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So go to the Google Play Store and then just go to the search function and search for Google clock. And from the results, this is the one you want from Google LLC. Make sure you get the correct application and just tap on the install button to have it installed on your Android phone, specifically the Galaxy A17. So there's the Google clock. You have your timers, your stopwatch, your bedtime, word clock, and alarms as well. And also you can add widgets to the home screen from the Google clock. So now when you long press and tap on widgets, you should see the option for clock. This is a default clock, and then this is Google clock, and there are several widgets you can use for Google clock. Thanks for watching and good luck.